project that's taking place at Pittock Conservation Area this fall is for dump trucks to bring in large rocks. Some of these, they could be 2-3 feet in diameter and hundreds of pounds each of them. So they get dumped. They have heavy equipment that's moving these rocks over to the edge of the reservoir. Pittock Reservoir does get drawn down in the winter and the fall months. So they're able to actually bring these rocks out onto the reservoir bed. And what they do is they kind of tier it out towards the reservoir so that the rocks will help hold all the sediment and material in place. Part of the reason why we are doing it, we do have campers that come in, and directly behind where they are on the edge of the reservoir, the shoreline was disappearing slowly over time. As water levels go up and down, the sediment gets washed in. So we want to maintain the edge of the reservoir. The other reason why this is really a benefit is because if we can prevent some of this sandy material and the sediments from being washed away into the reservoir, hopefully this will help improve maybe some of the water quality and water clarity. It might help for fish species, and then also for some of the smaller invertebrates that kind of go along that transition area of the shoreline that might help improve the area where they can kind of thrive and exist. When you come to Pittock Conservation Area to visit and you see this work that's gone along that shoreline, it's important to keep in mind that this has actually been engineered for the protection and the preservation of the land that we have, so that people years from now can experience what we're able to experience today at Pittock.